James here with Stately. We're over here in Amherst, just finished up the bathroom and we want to take you guys through a little walkthrough. The original space was configured a little bit differently. They had a giant whirlpool jacuzzi tub over there, and then in this little area here was actually a small little 36-inch walk-in shower. You had to walk out of the suds up to get back in there. Their toilet and everything, they had a bidet here, so we removed a lot of stuff and made it more functional to today's standards. We ended up putting in a 2x2 tile with a heated floor. So we have a thermostat with Wi-Fi enabled too, so you can adjust that temperature. Always have a nice warm floor on those cold Buffalo winters. For the vanity, they had a single low 70s vanity here, so we came back with a craft-made vanity and a quartzite top, dual sink, obviously. Very nice, clean, finished look. Dual mirrors, very nice system. Everything is soft close, so no banging around making noise when everyone's trying to sleep. When you get into the shower, like I said, this used to be a drop-in whirlpool tub, never used. So we removed that, boxed it out. We have a full heated floor in the shower, so that's really nice. You're not walking into a really cold space. The handles and everything are nice and close to the door, so you can get everything warmed up. We got a nice rain head, a wand, nice bench for shaving, and then a custom niche and a couple of stainless steel shelves, which are really nice for storage. To finish off the product, they didn't want to make the space look smaller, so we went with a full glass panel and a nice little glass door. Everything matching with the black hardware, and that's it.